Hey everybody, welcome back to Newton's Garage. It's Saturday, a lot of football on today, but before that gets started, I wanted to do another progress video. So here we go. As you can see, the engine and transmission are back in the chassis. Everything is painted. Hopefully this is for the last time, but probably not, because that's just how these things go. I've got the front suspension assembled with all new parts except for the shocks, which the replacement coilovers that I've ordered, well, just like about everything else right now, is on back order. So hopefully those will get here soon, and I can put the new ones on, which will be height adjustable. These old rusty ones are not. Next I'll build out the back suspension, get everything rolling again, and then test fit the body, which has been up here, back down on the chassis, and make some modifications in the rear end where the new rear suspension goes that the old body didn't account for. So that's done. The engine is looking good. It's all painted up, and I got some new parts on it, new water pump, new oil filter, new idler pulleys, new tensioner, and that went in and out and in and out and in and out, because the motor mounts, which are right in here and right in here, are custom made now, because the ones that look like this, that were the stock ones, didn't fit with the headers, which seems like that's always the case. Headers never want to fit around anything, so I made my own, and those will work just fine. They're actually closer to what the SRT8 motor mounts are like. So everything with the front suspension lined up really well. Everything worked out with the upper A-arm mounts and upper shock mounts, so I'm quite pleased with that. And everything looks like it's going to work out really well. Engine, transmission in place. The cross member I may have to adjust a little bit because of the new motor mounts in front, but I'm going to wait until I measure for the drive shaft and get the pinion angles correct for that before I monkey with it anymore. It'll hold the transmission for now, and I'll figure that stuff out later. So I think that's just about everything for now. Here's some high-speed video of me trying to get the engine in. See you next time.